We are live. And I'm getting some feedback on my side here. Give me a moment. Quit. There we go. Now I have no more feedback. Sweet. All right. So I've got some people here waiting, and we're going to continue the rewrite and then go from there. All right. Let's get this party started. I'm going to bring him back in.
Is this like is a
And
squirrel
we're live.
and a picture of a snail? And a picture
This
of
is
like,
actually
the first
really
photo.
cool. Vox, this is amazing.
Oh, are you looking at my stuff?
Vox, I don't
Thank
even know
you.
how to say your name.
Yeah,
it is
we're
actually
famous.
amazing, though. This is wonderful. Like,
Thank you
there's
so
so
much.
much detail here.
I appreciate it so
Is
much.
this the Instagram?
Sounds so sarcastic.
No, it's
No,
wonderful.
like Voxel's response.
What do you mean?
Wow, thank you.
No, I do appreciate it. I like that.
It's great.
I mean,
yeah, no, it's good. It's very good.
But, are you sarcastic about your own art? It's wonderful.
Yeah, it's so suck.
Oh yeah, Cynic.
Yes.
Okay, I am live. Right? So if you come over to my stream, I will play your fireworks.
Yes. Okay.
Let me know when you're on.
Oh, your stuff is good. Get out of here. You're such a liar.
Wait, what?
On Cynics.
Okay, Cynic is here.
No, it's not good. I'm improving though.
Following.
So
Yeah,
okay.
no.
There you go, your fireworks.
We all got it. We all got to get going.
I got fireworks. Yay.
Wait, where's your work? Cynic, where's your work?
Wait, Cynic, where's your Instagram or whatever?
I don't have a link. I can get the link real quick.
I'll link it. I got it. I got it.
Yeah, it's just the same name on Insta, basically.
Let's see Cynic's work.
There's so many good art.
Mine doesn't count as good.
It's what's his name again? I don't remember his name. This is the guy from the Clone Wars, right, Pseudo?
Which one?
Showing my art on stream. No.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, let me go back to my game. Jesus.
That's a cool style.
Sorry? I was streaming to exactly like one person, so we should be good.
By the way, I left the door code is on the chat.
What?
What?
The code for the lobby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Let's go to pseudos. Bloop 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 bloop.
What?
Hacking
There
his
we go.
mainframe? Okay.
Time to hack pseudo.
Oh, are you going to my
I'm pretty sure he can hack
my
us,
Discord?
I'm pretty sure Pseudo
Yeah,
can
I'm
hack
just
us.
I'm just gonna talk like Batman for a sec, and then I go.
No.
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 No, that will be no.
No.
Don't make me mute you.
No. It's just so I can hear myself on your stream.
Don't make me mute you.
Are we hearable on your stream?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no,
so.
we're hearable on your stream.
Yeah.
Hearable.
That's why I say poopy butthole a lot. Everyone likes that.
Oh, okay. We gotta watch your language. We gotta be PG. I don't know why,
PG rated R.
Ugh. I'm so tempted to swear up a storm now, but I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, where was I here? Right, I'm gonna do some
it's
bindings.
Odon who's doing the art. I got confused.
Pseudo has a manly mustache.
Oh my god. Please don't.
Yeah, I'm sculpting Savage Opress using Scott Adkins as a reference.
Yeah, I was wondering. I forgot that guy's name again, but like it was like, yeah, it's that guy.
Oh, I can't hear myself.
I hope you don't hear yourself. That'd be pretty awful if you could hear yourself.
Yeah, at the Canadian Vida chap.
come through. You're probably coming through just really quiet on my stream.
It might be. I have no idea. Probably.
Move action.
Oh, with the
Discord
thing.
assist.
Yes, let me
What?
do that. Hold up. I'm going to talk in game. So I'm going to mute myself here.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the game? Let me see the game. Let's
All right, how do I do this? All right. Okay. Let me fix this up. Stream.
What is it gonna be? Const.
So many windows open.
It is just a value, right? Character? No. Event graph.
I know.
It's so much stuff.
I
What
mean,
are all these boxes?
I thought it was good for the body.
What?
What?
All right,
I'm
I gotta
like-
close. I gotta close some windows. Hold on. Plop. Kill that. Kill this carrot.
Numbers and words I don't understand.
I don't know why BattleNet's in there.
Jump
Mute my
action.
pure
This
rep.
stop, jump, and jump. God damn it, it's gonna take a while to load. Hate load.
Here it is.
Fuck loading.
There we go. Now in Demonologist,
Can you hear us now, folks?
Nobody knows.
Arkham's not even doing anything.
Can you hear us
Settings,
Whoa, what was that?
audio.
What was I here?
No, not amongst us.
All right, how do I sound like?
You sound like you. Thank God.
You don't sound like a weird robot who's attempting to be human.
Oh, it's telling me to restart. I'll be right back. Shoot.
F in chat.
No, it should already sound like, you know, like. Okay. All right, I'm gonna mute myself here.
Camera zoom out controller. What's my move? Camera zoom. Oh, right. That's for.
So inform me, what's demonology about? I can't hear you, by the way. You are muted, Bob.
He's supposed to be muted.
Never mind, then.
I'm actually streaming if you want to see it.
You're streaming! I want to watch. How
I
do
think
I
he's only
watch?
streaming on Discord right now, though.
I'm streaming on Discord.
Oh,
You're streaming?
I'm streaming.
a game.
Voxel's streaming on Discord.
Okay.
Why are you naked?
That's
What?
not me.
Why
I'm-
is your what? Who else is in the lobby? I don't know.
I am going to temporarily deafen myself here. Okay, move action. What do we want it to be? So I don't think it's move action. I think it's just move. Yeah, I think it's just move. No, that's not it. But this is. Is it move event? Or sorry, move action? Wait, I still have the old one opened up here. Oh, for fuck's sake, it takes too long. Everything has to load. I think I might just get rid of this altogether. No, not that one. That's the wrong one, I wonder. Oh, I see how that works. Hmm. I think I actually just want to delete it. There. And then this here we can get rid of. This we don't need. Get rid of that. Yeah, and then I think this is okay for now. And then all we want to do from here is bring in the things. I think we're going to keep a lot of this. I'll make some of my functions blueprint callable. So like the zoom stuff, I want to do update camera zoom. So we're going to do that. Blueprint callable. Category equals our girls input function. Character. Characters player. There we go. And if we generate the definition here, we can utilize the blueprint version. And what we're going to do is this will take in the float, right? So if value is equal to 0, return. Then we want to do new, sorry, this would be a float width of new value equals F math lamp. We're also going to need to bring in some of these into here. And we want camera zoom min. Max. Step. What do we have for min? Min is 100, max is 2000, step is 60. $100, $2,000. Value times, sorry, plus camera zoom step. Plus camera boom target arm length. And then what we want is to clamp that. Fmath clamp. This would be camera zoom min, camera zoom max. And then it is camera boom set target target arm length equals new value. Yep. See, what else do we need? We've got the sword, the shield, yada yada yada. Dash distance, dash cost. I think if I go to the event graph, we can enable tick and then get rid of one of our event handler thingies. Ah, I don't know where the region timer. Okay, never mind. Okay, I think this is most of the player stuff. So let's save all of this and then we'll relaunch. Who joined? Carbon. It's getting way too much going on in Discord right now. I can't do it. Too distracting. Okay, so if we open up our characters in this one here, this is the TG player character. We open up the blueprint. There are components that need to be implemented here. Yay! Booyah! Oh my god, I like where this is going. Okay, so we can start moving over stuff, right? Show inherited variables. So good. All right, so we want a sword static mesh. And we want a shield. Then socket. And we want weapon socket, shield, shield socket. The shield apparently needs to be rotated. Do. This is -40. Oh, it's so bad. I need to just fix that. It's so bad. Sword. There we go. I don't want 10. I want let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, that seems better. And then let's go into here and fix this shield. -30. -40. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 5. That kind of works. -1. Yeah. Hmm. It's kind of right. That's better. There we go. That's better. Let's say -1.5, -2, -3. There we go. Let's do... Okay, there we go. All right, and then we can go back to here, and here we want to do the enhanced input system stuff, right? So let's start with the movement. IA move. Wait, what? Oh, okay, this one. And sorry, on this one, what did we call it? Just move. Okay, just move. Because we have AI move is important. We don't need to look. We need a base attack. We have the AI block. Oh, sorry, IA block. The dash. The sprint. Menu. Camera zoom. zoom in. Oops. The event any damage, I think we'll have to work out. Feels so kind of blah at the moment. It's like the world is a bit overwhelming at the moment. Can I do this? Yeah, this needs to be entirely overdone, overhauled. And I think that I want to change this up a little bit, and we're going to add a couple more of these events here. Let's add on character attack delegate. Damaged. There we go. I think that's good. One character death attack. We're going to move these down. Like that. And because we want this here, we want to also send with it a bool of b does stun. And then here, attacking, we want ETG attack types, attack type. And I want to change this attack type, Then down here on public, we want F on character attack delegate. F on character damaged delegate. Character damaged delegate. This guy has the delegate stuff. Do I need to declare them as U properties? Yeah, blueprint assignable. Oh, I forgot to save. God damn it. Boop. Let's see how much it saved. Oh, it saved like all of it. Sweet. Event dispatch. Q. U function. Blueprint callable. Category. Tower girls. Character. Events. Event. Is it character or characters? Characters. Oh. Void dispatch on Actually, do I want to? No, I don't think I do. I don't think I care. Because I can just do the binding and the dispatch all in here in one. I'm just gonna restart. On there we go. Why am I not seeing it though? Maybe I do need to set it because huh. All right. That's kind of a pain in the butt. I'm gonna do this. Dispatch. Characters, events, delegates. Do, 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 do. Expected name. Oh, oops. Forgot to do that. Do, do, do. Um, there. If on character def delegate dot is bound. On character def delegate dot broadcast did this one here does not need that. We would just do this. And then we would need the same here. Is bound. Broadcast. What's the issue here? Oh. Right, we don't need any of this. There we go. That's better. If on character attack delegate dot is bound on character death delegate dot broadcast cast with this and attack type. Hmm. So I guess we don't need this, do we? Oh, I think that for this one you actually need to have at least one. Interesting. Wait, this is on character attack delegate. That's why. On character damaged delegate that is bound if on character damaged delegate dot broadcast this and be does stun. What's the error here? Oh, yeah. Huh? Space. Oh, that's why. Oops. Run. What we want to do here is we want to just have this call the on character death dispatch. There you go. Hmm. Here we go. I think I want to rename move here because it's like impossible to find. Oh wait, no, it's because it doesn't have blueprint callable, isn't it? That's why. Here we go. Wait a second. Oh. Vector 2D struct. Action value vector. Is it this? Is it hard maybe? That's an error. Hmm. Interesting. F vector 2D. Huh. It's being cast. Hmm. I might just want to switch it to the X and the Y, because if I do that, Yeah, I'm just gonna switch that out. It's just not worth it. Float X, float Y. At some point I've got to go through and fix all those errors, but I don't think that should be too difficult. There's a bunch of them, but they should be pretty simple. Hmm. All right, let's see. How does attack work at the moment? That's all done. Sprint, to do dash, block, base attack. This actually needs to be Shipwreck Studios. Thanks for the follow. I mean, the raid. So very much appreciated. I hope you enjoy your fireworks. How was the rest of your stream? Was it a good stream? Yeah. So I'm currently in the process of rebuilding my stuff, but in C++. So that is totally what's going on right now. The thing all blueprint scripters dread. I feel for you. Oh, I'm doing it for a very different reason. Attack of event. Damn it! Really? Oh, I can't just Oh, that's so disappointing. I really wanted to be able to just override this and have it be great. I think I'm going to change this a little bit. Can I change this? Yes. Yes, I can. Oh, I can do it. Oh, I can. I can. Oh, sweet Jeebus. Yes. Okay. So let's do the attack event. So if we come over to here, whoops. What we want to do is, I believe this is public, yes. I don't think it should be public, but whatever. We're going to leave it public for now. And then I don't think that we need this. Oops. Oops. Yeah. Generate code. Definitions. There we go. Real engine C++ print to screen. How's the code going on your side though? How's the game coming? It looked like it was coming along. So, okay, so I don't actually have a mandate to switch this over. Cervantes 3D, how's your game coming along? I'm rewriting the character classes in C++ right now. So Shipwreck Studios, how's your game coming along? Also, Cervantes, how is your how's your scene coming along? Oh, I think this will work. I want this to be overrideable. Yeah, you're like big.
Chances are you've heard the term gimbal.
You're freaking, yeah, you're good yeah, good progress. That's good. Yeah, my thing. Yeah. Yeah, your thing. You're my mind's gonna get there eventually, you know. Eventually I will get there. Your project, your portfolio piece. What is it? It's make the robot shop? No, car shop. No, car mechanic shop thing. Good enough. Now, how would this get overwritten here? I think this would be virtual void attack event override. I think this is the one that gets overridden. Generate definition. Then in here, let's take a look at what we want for our attack. Oops. If current, did I not make stamina? Oh, I didn't. Yep. Ooh, they look tasty. Is that mango? Yeah. You want to share?
That's why I bought it.
I figured. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. I am back. I get back and there's more people in here. This is weird. Shouldn't have everybody left? Mm. Do. I'd love to pick your brains, Shipwreck Studios, if you're still there at some point. All right, what was I doing? There's a thing that I wanted to do here. Right, the attack. Oops. All right, so current stack, stem. Attack cost, or light attack cost. We're going to change this. We want this to be duration, but we also want to have the, what is it? It's F. Attack type. Oops. There. Okay, so this will have oh wait, no, this isn't the one that I wanted. Silly me. Void attack event. Wait, that is the one that I wanted. Attack. Attack event. No, I guess this is attack event. Attack event. This is it. Do. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can do this. And then I need a damage timeline. No. Timeline component. Unreal Engine C++ timeline.
Hello, and this will be a tutorial series on how to create the code as well. On begin here, I'll show you. We're gonna have a pretty simple timeline here, and here is the blueprint example right here. I'll show you. It just goes up and down. That's it. And I'll show you the code as well. On begin play, it will get the actor's location, and it will have a z offset variable that we can edit in the editor, and then just add it to the z, and then have that as the end position. And then we just start playing the timeline, and then it just loops between the two vector locations for set actor location. And then when it's finished, it will reverse, and then when it comes back to it, and if it was going backwards, so reversing, then we hit play, and it tells it to play. Pretty simple, but we're gonna make that in C++. So first thing you want to do, and I've already done this, is you don't need to create the folder, but create a curve, and you can do this by right-click, go to miscellaneous, and curve. And then when you come into the editor, here, I'll delete all these. All right, when you come into the editor, all you have to do is hold Shift, left-click, and you can specify the time, which I will put at 0, and the value, which will also be 0 since it's lurking between 0 and 1. And then I will Shift and left-click again to create another node, or a little dot, or keyframe, sorry, in the timeline. And then we will select 2 seconds, and the value of 1, that means it's the end of the timeline, and then hit fit horizontal and fit vertical. And then you can just hit auto. Well, you have to select them. Hit auto, and it will make them smooth, the same way that the other timeline does. And that's it. Save it, and then you're done for that part. And then we go into C++ classes, and then you just create a new class. And we could do just actor, but I'm going to do a static mesh actor, so that way it has a static mesh already put into it. Static mesh actor, there it is. You just select that, hit next, and we're going to rename it to floating actor. Create class. While it's compiling, I'm going to tell you that timelines are essentially components that you add to the class. Sorry about that. And pretty much all you have to do is, we're going to add public. Well, we just do protected. Yeah. Well, no, we need public. So we do need to create a constructor, so I'm just going to do public, and then a floating actor, parentheses, and line, and then we have the constructor. And then what we're going to do is declare our timeline component, as I said before. So class, uTimeline component, when I learn how to type, and then we're going to name it my timeline, and then end line.
All right. This would be a hack type enum current. No, we don't need that right now. Don't mind me. Sorry. No, we do. Sorry.
One. And that's going to be it for the timeline, at least until we create the... Actually, we'll do that after IntelliSense loads. So, next, and let me get my notes open so I don't screw anything up. Next, you also need to have a curve, because like we created in the editor at the beginning, we created a curve, so now we have to create a variable so we can get that asset. So all you have to do is class uCurveFloat, because it is of type float, fCurve. Right? And then we're going to have uProperty, and then edit anywhere, so we can just drag into level and select it, so category timeline. And let's create the constructor, and then it's going to load for us. So after this, we're also going to create our start and end locations, which are 2 vectors, and you can do that while my thing is loading. There we go. And primary, actually we don't even need to do that. We can just do this, and then in here we're going to do our start and end locations. So and we don't need to show them in the editor really, so we can just do uProperty for garbage collection, then f vector start location, and then uProperty f vector end location. And then we're going to get our z offset, which is a float. So we just do float z offset. And then also uProperty. But this one we're going to make it edit anywhere, so we can also edit it in the editor. Category timeline as well. Timeline. Alright. So this is what we have so far. We have the basic kind of things down. Let's go back to the constructor and let's create our timeline default object. All right, so my timeline equals create default sub object. There it is. U timeline component, and let's name this timeline because it doesn't really matter. Now you don't need to set up attachment or anything because it is like the movement component where it just gets added to it, but it doesn't need to be directly connected to any components. All right. Now another thing, you are going to need to include a specific include library, and I'm going to post it in the description. Here it is. It's pretty much for the timeline component. You can also go to Unreal Engine 4's documentation page, type in U timeline component, go to the bottom. If you find the correct one, go to the bottom, and it should have the reference for runtime, engine, classes, components, timeline.h, and you can just copy that as well. So now that we've done that, we're going to add in our begin play function. All right, let's comment this constructor. All right, and virtual void begin play override. Since it is virtual, we can override it, and all actors have this. So create the definition. It's going to be loading for me. It can be fast, and then it does this, and it's just not fun. But this is where we're going to be declaring, or not declaring, but essentially allowing for the timeline to start and such, and starting our initial values and whatnot, because we're not going to be doing that mostly in the constructor. All right, this is also, yeah, I don't need to, you know what begin play is, hopefully. So next, there is something called a delegate. 2 delegates, actually, that we need to create. And then we need to create the functions. Actually, let's create the functions first. So we're going to do U function, and these are going to be both empty functions, but they're U functions nonetheless. They're both void. One has an input parameter of float, and this one is going to be timeline. I don't know what just happened with my brain. Timeline float return, and it's going to be float, and then we're going to put in value, and that would be it for that one.
Oh my god, this is taking forever. Unreal Engine C++ timeline component. Yeah, this is the way to go. Okay. I should really, oops. I should really probably get rid of this and just put protected here. That would probably be a good idea, but whatever for now. Create an F timeline event. U function, timeline finished function. Next, implement the following code for your timeline finish function in your timeline actor.cpp. Ulog do begin play. You've now successfully bound your timeline finished event to your custom timeline function. Timeline events on timeline event are dynamic delegates that provide functionality to a timeline component to handle an event. Following the steps below to create your own timeline event to be bound to your timeline component's finished function. Navigate to the Do I need to add this? I think this needs to go here into this one instead. They say where this needs to go? Protected. Okay. view function void on timeline. On timeline event, signature for function to handle a timeline event. Signature to function handle timeline float track. Then your color. Signature of function to handle a timeline event. Signature of a function to handle a timeline float track. I think this is the duration, isn't it? Timeline event entry. F timeline. Do play from start. Where is this playing? It's reversing. Do. There's a tool for this, right? What is this gonna look like? EP. Yeah, we should probably do that. There's the strength dungeon level. I should add that as well. Dungeon complete, death montage, update health, walk speed. Do. Oh, I didn't know that we could do that there. Oh, that'd be so nice. Sorry. I'm not seeing it. The apply damage thing. Huh.
one.
I think this might be it.
function, and then this one's going to be just a regular void, no parameters, just empty, on timeline finished. So this is where we're going to be able to tell when the timeline is finished. It's going to call this function. And the timeline float return is where the stuff for update. So if we go to
Oh,
our
okay.
example, this line,
That was it. Okay. On timeline float. What was it?
or this little node, or this execution pin, connected to everything else, that's what this function does, is essentially the update part. And finished is what we're, or this little node, this. So it's
Okay. Float return. Whee. Timeline float return. Timeline float return. There we go. So we need the socket. BP. There it is. Combat. Did I misspell shield? Yeah. Not that it really matters because like we're not actually using it anywhere, but still. Then we need to come up here. Was it? It's sword. Sword. Get character movement. Where's the camera boom? Ah, here we go. Get mesh. And then set up attachment. Oh wait, it would be sword. Set up attachment. Get mesh. Get mesh. Shield. Set up. Ugh. Set up attachment. Get mesh. Okay. This one here. Let's write this down so we don't forget it. XYZ 300 shield location 6 -3 0 shield rotation 0 10 -65. Oh, and we want to attach to the socket, right? YouTube.com. Let's get this started. And then we'll go like this. Oops. What? What is it? Oh yeah, it's that's no, take a camera, and then the next thing that we're there it is. And then here, socket is up in socket. Damn it. I misspelt shield on this. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, right. This there. Oh, and this is not supposed to be that. 'Wait, what? Oh, right. 6 minus 3, negative 65. These are in the sockets, right? Well, they're moving with them, so I'm guessing they are. Good enough. Hmm. Okay. Here we want this. Wait, what? Damn it. No. Ah. Sword. Shield. Weapon socket. Shield socket. I think we all got kicked out. Or wait, maybe. Yeah, people are streaming, that's why. Save, compile. Beautiful, okay. I'm gonna move over to art time. Not saying anything yet, but I will eventually. Wait, this is wrong. This shield does not have the right thing. Is this 65 then? Is this one right? This one's right. Hmm. Like it is attached. Wait a second. Yeah, the rotation's just not working on the shield. Save. Which animation is this again? This is... Oh, this is idle. Um... Why is it not? Yeah, this should be working, right? Yeah. Let's go to the sockets. Shield socket. There's the weapon. Shield socket. There we go. 1. $1.5. 2. There we go. Maybe a little bit of an angle. 1, 2. Okay. Then the shield. Minus 2. 2. One. You know what? I think that actually looks good. Maybe, yeah, this needs to, the sword needs to come, sorry. Needs to be on this 15. Red 5. 10. Uh, can I pause this animation? No, I think this is good enough for now. I love your voice. Jaden, welcome back. Thank you. Actually, what if I do this? There. What we want to do is we want to move this over here like so. And we just want to have this be completely and totally And then shield. How are you doing today, by the way, Jaden? Okay. See, we want to move it back a little bit. Maybe rotate it a bit this way. No, this way? Yeah. Nate Voxel. Let me unmute myself. Oh, you already left. Have a good one, man. Sorry, it was just really busy in there and I just couldn't deal with it at the moment. So I had to mute myself. It's as 10 people. Yeah. I moved myself up though, just so I could like chill in there a bit. But I don't know if when I'm gonna unmute myself. Sorry. That's actually roughly right. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hmm. Okay, event graph. Oh. Okay, so we've got this one here is the one that we want to deal with right now. So this one would be sword. weapon start. And this will return a socket, right? Oh, wait. Get socket location. What is this? This returns an F vector. This is going to be if sword has does socket exist, weapon start, and sword does socket exist, weapon end. Multi to do multi-sphere traced by channel Unreal Engine C++. F collision shape make sphere sweep multi-channel. What you want is sweep multi by channel, which allows you to specify a start and end point along with a shape. Oh, okay. We are going to property F in shape weapon collision shape. Can I just do this here? This might work. Does it work? This might work. If this, oh, it's not gonna work. Wait. No. Might be worth a try though. It was definitely worth a shot though. Unable to find class telling. These are all freaking terrible. Huh. Yeah, this should be up here, right? All right, weapon. Hi again, Jaden. Okay, so sorry, I didn't mean to smack my microphone there. Do I need to create the collision shape every single frickin' time? I really don't want to. It's a struct. Actually, does... Huh. I feel like I need to. Damn, I really didn't want to have to do this. Huh. Poop. What's our collision shape? 40? And then... Trace channel. Unreal Engine, C++. System. Trace channels. Default. Convert to trace type. To do. Is it the line? This might work. Custom objects. Job object to do. This guy's stuff's usually pretty good.
Everyone, and welcome back. So this is going to be our video where we start implementing the line trace functionality in C++. Is project I just wanted to make things look a bit more interesting. We're going to go to user to be an image that we can just drag in, X and Y to be our screen where the crosshairs, which at the moment is always going to be our character, the rotation side the player, and the quick change mappings. I'm just going to create another action, and I'll call this one interact. To the left mouse button, the protected section where the previous functions which were related to the input are kept, just keep things kind of in logical orders. And I'll call this one void interact pressed. So this is just going to be the function which is called in the set player previous action bindings. Just remember, simple to just type this out if you don't have it, and trace forward in to make it a lot more user friendly. Arguments first of all, so, and again just shorten that to rot. And the other thing I said is that we want our comparison hits from the player viewpoint and fill the location and rotation 4. So we now have those filled. So we can use this, and we're going to store the actual start point now, which is going to be another f vector, and the start point is going to be the location that we just filled in from that function. And then we want our end point. Now the way that we're going to set this up is we're going to use now, so I'm going to less than 2 and f collision with some default values which are perfectly fine. So we can just create that so it's ready. And then the final thing is we want to call the line trace function, and this is done by using the get world again. So we'll say get world and then line trace single by channel. Okay, and like I said, we have a lot of different options for the arguments that we can pass. It once is, and if this doesn't, that it expects you to still pass in end. Now I'll show you what this means in a blueprint, so that makes a little bit more sense, but it just means that this will be
Let's try ECC. I know it's one of these. It's either this one or this one. Which one did I do? E-trace. Where? Unreal Engine C++ custom trace channel. Which one did I do it on? Input collisions. That's wait. Trace channels. If I open up the INI file, it's in one of these INI files. Oops. Trace channel, ECC game channel 1. There we go. That's what it is. Weapon collision shape. Here we go. Get results. Engine hit results. Wait.
Tracing on the visibility channel. When it comes to things like collisions, you have
Oh, wait. Wait, no. What's the error? Cannot resolve symbol F hit results. Not a huge fan of this stuff. Why are these all 404s? This... Okay. Const. Start. Trace location and trace location. Unreal Engine C++. Draw debug. You should be able to do this with the following code. Collision query param. Collision params. Oh. Wait, where's trace tag coming from? Sorry, I see it. Attack. There. Hmm. Oh well. Unreal Engine, C++, raw, multi trace with debug.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at the sphere trace in Unreal C++. If you're going through this as a playlist rather than individual videos, you've seen a couple of different trace topics that I've covered, and what I've been doing is covering the world context tracing, like line tracing and sweep tracing, and then also covering the Kismet version of the same traces, so the Kismet line trace, and this is going to be the Kismet sphere trace. The main difference, if you're not familiar, is that the ones you find in the Kismet library are the same ones that you'll be using if you're using traces in Blueprints, and the benefits of using those are really, really good if you wanted to debug things as well and show them to screen, as the world context traces generally don't have the same kind of flexibility there. So to get started, as ever, we're going to go to our C++ classes. I'm going to be creating this as a component. Of course, you can add this in as an actor class or something if you wanted, but as you'll see at the end of this video, if you haven't followed the others, this is going to allow us to really easily just drop this onto any actor that may need to do a trace. So keeping things kind of segmented out as components can be really useful. So in here, I'm going to choose to create a new C++ class, and I've been using the scene component, and then I'm just going to name this one sphere trace. That's all compiled for me, and I'm going to try a slightly different approach than some of the other videos that I've created. So take a look at some world content, compare against this, and see what you prefer in the way that I'm about to go through the code, and let me know what you prefer. So basically, I would usually type through what I'm adding into the code as I kind of explain what it's doing. Whereas in this video, I'm just going to try out a new thing where I've already added all of the code to the class, and I'm just going to go through step by step and show you what it's doing and why we're adding it. And hopefully this will give you a little bit more time to read the code as it's on screen. It means you can pause this at any time and double check any of the code, which will make up the kind of entire function. So hopefully it's a little bit easier for you to keep up with. And it also means that because I'm using this presentation mode, it can be a little bit hard to type with the text quite this close. So when I'm typing, I would naturally be using something at this size. Everything then that you can see kind of fits on screen better, but that will make it very hard for people to read the text depending on the kind of resolutions, or just in general it might be harder for people to read the text like this. But typing things like in the presentation mode, I have found I kind of forget things, haven't noticed that things haven't been included because it's been on screen. So hopefully this is going to be a good medium for the approach. Okay, so the first place I want to start is in the header file of the class we've just created. I've only added one thing, and that's just down here in the public section. I've created a float variable and exposing it in this / Kismet system library.h. So to begin then, the first two variables that we need to create are going to be the start.
There we go. All right. We have all that we need right there. We're going to definitely give that a thought, but what we really want is const bool the hit equals u kismet system library sphere trace multi by profile. I think it was profile. No, it was by channel. Oops. Let me get the exact wording here. Multi sphere trace multi. I think this is it. You get world. Start trace location. End trace location. Radius will be 40.f. Trace channel will be EC? No. ECC. 1. False. My T array. Let's come back here. I'm gonna start doing this. Let's minimize that. Move this over here. Out hit. Out results. Actors to ignore. U property. T array. Actor. U actors. A actors. Actor. Already hit actors. To do radius, channel, complex, actors to ignore. Already hit actors. Just to ignore debug type. Debug type will be E draw debug trace for duration. Come back to that because this is a problem. Oh, this is wrong one. duration, then we want hit array. Array. True. F line color. Red. F line green. Draw time, we'll do 60. New engine type. To trace type. Oof. Wow, that is a lot. Dear God, look at all of that. If no, I don't want to do that. If the hit for F hit result. Hit result in hit array. Hit result dot hit actor. What was it for cast in C++ for this again? Unreal Engine C++. Actor cast. Oh, it's just cast, okay. What would this be? This would be TG base character. Oh no, I want to do an implements. Because check if it result means the damage thing. If so, apply damage. Oof. Let's see how long I've been going for. Oh, 3 hours. Holy shit. All right, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm a little bit out of it today. I'm hoping to do a bit of a longer stream tomorrow, so I'll be on tomorrow night. And anyways, I will catch you all later. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for the raid. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the lurks. Everything like that. You were all awesome. I'll see you around. All right, ta-ta for now.